morning, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a consistent basis. These trade setups are described in detail in the trading manual and in the live daily Shark Den. Today we are showing 10 trade setups for a potential profit of 32 ES ticks. The market opened up this morning at 1275, represented by this white dotted line. It is a natural support number and resistance number, and so we did expect some chop today, as well as it being Friday and as well as us having a strong run up yesterday. You will generally see a sideways choppy market. So with that being said, we had an opportunity to get long. We generally don't trade here from 9:30 until 9:45. It's just a period of higher volatility, unless of course the setup occurs in the direction of our gap fill. In this case it did. We tried to fire off one trade, hit our first target and got stopped out for -2 ticks. We tried to fire off a second trade, got first target hit, got stopped out for 2 ticks. Not a big deal, but we were trying, almost fighting a futile battle there. There was then consumer sentiment that came out that was actually better than expected, expecting a nice run up, but what we see in the news reports quite often is that when good news comes out, the market sells off. Well, we weren't trying to precede any news announcement, but and you don't want to be taking any new trades a few minutes before the 9:55 consumer sentiment report. In this case, we did try to take one trade, short it, got target 1 taken off and got stopped out for -2 ticks. Market continued on, and then now we're going for our fourth trade. Target 1 was hit, got stopped out for -2 ticks. With that being said, we were sitting on the sidelines. This trade we did not catch. Fortunately, we did not catch. This trades written in yellow are trades that we did not count and we did not take in the Shark Den. This trade fired off to go long, and we got a full stop out for -16 ticks. With that, you can't stop. You got to just regroup and look again towards your trade setups. Looks like a nice bouncing off of our moving average line. There is no valid trade setups at this point. Right here at around just before 11 o'clock, we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 6 ticks. And then that was it for the morning. Pretty rough morning. We could just see a pure sideways chop, and the market pretty much wrapped around the opening price. From 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time, that's a period of higher volatility, lower volume. The day was already with low volume, and now we're going into a Friday afternoon, expecting a lot of sideways chop. Very cautious, coming out of the no trade zone. We had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ticks. Market continued on. We had an opportunity right there at a little after 3 o'clock to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 8 ticks. And then another opportunity shortly thereafter. Target 1 was hit. Target 1 was hit over here, and then we got stopped out for -2 ticks. And then getting ready to go into the close, we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ticks, and that matched up with a 5-minute Fibonacci trade setup, ultimately working its way towards the 1282 area, which we talked about first thing this morning. It eventually made it there by, 3:45 this afternoon, and then went into the close with no further movement. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you, and have a great weekend.